Yeah, so that means it was actually something written that the angel was wanting the Prophet to read. And hence his reply was that I can't read. Yeah, so, but we know that the Quran was not written, it was later that it was compiled into a form of a book. But the first sentence kind of suggests that there was something written at the first place. So, what do you suggest in this?
There was the question that when the first word was revealed, Ikra, the Prophet said, Ma ana biqari, I am not learned, I cannot read. So he's assuming that that means something written was shown. It's not a must. For example, if there's a person here, even if I tell him that read, even if I don't show him something, he will say that I'm illiterate or I cannot read. It's not necessary I have to show him something. Fine? It may be, it may not be. It's not a must. When I'm asking someone to do something, that I have to show something. I can just say, why don't you read? It's not must that I should show him something. So a person who cannot read may voluntarily come and say that I cannot read. It's not necessary to tell you, okay, show me what to read. Oh, this thing. No, this thing I can't read. So even if you don't show me when I cannot read, so what's the use of you showing me that thing? If someone tells me read Japanese, I'll say I cannot read. I'll not say, okay, where is it? Show me where is Japanese. If you tell me, brother Zakir, read Japanese, I'll say, what to read? Show me Japanese. I'll say I cannot read Japanese. Correct? Do you get it?
Now we